In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Windows Edge and Microsoft 365. Copilot is your built-in AI helper across Windows, the Microsoft Edge browser, and apps like Word and Outlook. To open it, you have two easy options. On Windows, press the Copilot shortcut, Windows logo key plus C, and the Copilot panel slides in so you can start chatting right away. You can also click the Copilot icon wherever you see it, whether that's on the Windows taskbar, in Edge along the sidebar, or inside Microsoft 365 apps such as Word and Outlook. As soon as the panel appears, you're ready to ask for help without leaving what you're working on. At the bottom of the panel, you'll see a text box where you type your prompt. This is where you can ask questions or give commands like summarize this email, draft a friendly reply, or explain quantum computing simply. Be as specific as you can about what you want and the tone you prefer. If you're in Word, mention the document's goal. If you're in Outlook, tell it who the audience is. You can paste text you want it to use, and you can add constraints like length or format to guide the result. When you're happy with your prompt, send it by clicking the paper plane icon or pressing Enter. Copilot will respond in the same panel. If you need a new line while writing, use Shift plus Enter. Don't worry if the first answer isn't perfect. Just follow up in the same conversation. Ask it to simplify, expand, or try a different style, and it will refine the result without making you start over. If you prefer talking, you can use voice input. Click the microphone icon in the Copilot panel, grant microphone permission if prompted, and then speak your request clearly. Pause briefly between sentences and include details you care about, like short and professional. When you're done, Copilot will transcribe and respond just like it would to a typed message. You can switch back to typing at any time. A few quick tips to make the most of it. Keep prompts clear and goal-oriented, provide context when it helps, and review suggestions before you use them. Avoid sharing sensitive information, and remember you can always iterate to get closer to what you need. That's it. You now know how to access Copilot, type or speak your prompt, and send it for fast, helpful results.